How to pay on Klarna. So basically, if someone has sent you a payment request and you'd like to pay back to that person and you'd like to pay them, all you have to do is first launch the Klarna app. Make sure that you're on the home page, and here you can see to pay. Someone has sent me a 20 euros request of 19 euros. So I will just select that to pay option there. On the next page you will see for what and the status, the categories, and why they sent that. So I can select payment options. I can report a problem or report the return, but I can also select payment options, and I can choose to pay with card or snooze and come back and pay later. So depending on what is it that I want to do, I can select pay with card option. You can choose to extend the due date if you want to. Otherwise, you can simply choose to pay with your card and just select pay option and enter your card number and card info, and just like that you have successfully paid on Klarna. This way you'll be able to pay on Klarna. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.